my god. Hey, what's up? So actually right now I am watching YouTube videos and I'm about to film a YouTube video. My birthday is actually this Saturday, so by the time I post this, it'll be last week. So I'm gonna try to do like a weekly vlog because I am trying to build my numbers, and I am trying to basically be a successful YouTuber, if that makes sense. So yesterday was Valentine's Day. I did vlog a little bit in the morning, but I babysit my nephew, and yeah, since it's not my kid, it's not like my place to put him on here. So yeah, so I vlogged a little bit in the morning, but then, you know, the evening time was like husband and wife time. Very quickly, I'm probably also going to mention this in another video, but I wanted to show you guys what my husband got me for Valentine's Day. I know some of you are probably like, what the fuck is that? Okay, so this is a little reading board for like on the bed, so I can like edit while I'm in bed. I can read while I'm in bed. You see, you can put like your phone or your iPad here. There's like a little spot for like your pencils, so I can do all of that while I'm in my bed. And then you like open like this part and it just like raises it a little bit, and this is just like one of those like reading accessories type things, and I really like stuff like this. I'm going to touch more on this in another video, but I suffer with depression. I had really bad postpartum. I have 3 kids, and my youngest child is going to be 5 in April, and I suffered with postpartum with all 3, and with each of them it just got worse and worse and worse and worse. So I recently picked up reading, and it's not like I never read before. I did read before. I actually used to be a huge reader when I was like in middle school, in high school, college, and then as a young adult. But I had went through some trauma with my oldest daughter's father. That is a whole nother story for another day, but I went through some trauma with him while I was pregnant with her, and it just kind of snowballed into me becoming almost like engorged in my kids. So my entire life, my entire existence became about other people. So it's almost like, you know, as cliche as it sounds, I kind of like lost myself. So I just recently got back into reading, and yeah, it's been a journey. So I will talk more about that in a self-care video and my book haul, because there's things to be said about that. Alright, so I am looking kind of musty, busty, and dusty, but I am doing a YouTube video for my birthday. So my birthday makeup. And just real quick, like these are the roses from my husband. So cute, so sweet. And then of course he got me chocolate, so follow me on Instagram. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and start the video. So I finished my video, and I have about like maybe 20 or 25 minutes before I have to take Callie to the bus stop. So I'm actually just going to chill for a little bit because I also have to go to the grocery store, and yeah, adulting sucks. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I really just want to read my book. I want to finish those 50 pages today. I'm gonna finish those 50 pages, I don't care. Yeah, so I'm going to watch some TV, and I love the way my makeup came out, so I really don't, I'm not gonna take it off right now. I'm gonna keep it on for today. Yeah, so we're gonna do a little grocery store run, and I really want poke, so I'm gonna get a poke bowl. All right, y'all, so I just dropped Callie off at her bus stop. It's really cold, so I decided to take the car. Plus, I need to go to the grocery store really quick, and then I really want to get a poke bowl, and I'm trying to get back to the house by 3, before 3. Like, if I could do this in an hour, that would be dope, because then I'll be able to eat my food. Sorry if we're shaking, because you guys are on my tripod and it's attached to my window. So I want to be able to like grab this stuff, get my poke, get back home, and then, you know, chill for a couple of hours before, or at least for an hour, until I have to do this conference call. And yeah, I'm really hungry, but, and it's cold, and all I wore today was a sweatshirt, so that's why I drove to drop off my daughter. I have so much crap, like literal crap to do. I was supposed to do my kids' laundry, but I'm not even sure if they separated it. I might go check when I get home, but I really don't feel like doing the extra stuff. So yeah, so grocery store, pokey, who. And then after that, I would really like to like upload my shite to my computer so that I can edit, because I definitely want to make sure I have another video ready for Thursday, and then I need a video for Sunday, because those are my days: Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday. Okay, so we're at the first stop, which is Aldi's. Clean out my car so bad. So we're sanitizing. I always sanitize before I take my mask off. I like to wear these underneath, especially when I'm wearing like heavy makeup. So that took like 20 minutes. So I do have time to go get my poke. Hopefully this place is open. Last time my husband and I went to go get poke from this place, they were closed, and like I'm not sure if it's like a closed for good or it was just closed, you know, at that moment, because your girl is hungry. Okay, I'm at the poke spot, so okay, huge success. So I have about an hour before my meeting. Yay. Does hand sanitizer make y'all's hands feel like super dry? But the most important part is I got the goods. Got some poke here. I'm about to go enjoy my poke at home. Okay, so I am back home, and it is time to eat this poke bowl. I got shrimp, tuna, and salmon with edamame. I cannot say that. Edamame. I said it. Edamame, corn, and seaweed salad, and green onions. So let's give her a taste. So I'm gonna end this day off with a cup of tea, and I'm going to finish my book, which I've been trying to finish reading for 2 days. So I'm gonna get to reading, and good night, y'all.